For the first time, Audi is presenting a design and technical concept car at Pebble Beach Automotive Week in Monterey, California. The all-electric Audi PB18 e-tron presents an extreme vision for the elite games auto of tomorrow. Expansive and level, obviously enlivened by the breeze burrow and the racetrack, its exceptionally nearness flags that it is bound to push limits. Its idea and energizing lines were made in the new Audi Outline Studio in Malibu, California, where the brand's plan is reliably being refreshed for what's to come. The specialized idea of the PB18 e-tron has profited from Audi's numerous long stretches of winning the Le Mans dashing arrangement. The specialists at Audi Sport GmbH, the superior backup of Audi, were in charge of execution. The condensed name PB18 e-tron alludes both to the Pebble Beach scene for the debut and to the innovative DNA it imparts to the effective LMP1 hustling auto Audi R18 e-tron. Reliably engaged ideas for utilize. At first sight, the Audi PB18 e-tron demonstrates its connection with another dynamite idea auto from the brand, the Audi e-tron from 2017. This remains constant not just for trademark plan components like the side windows that point inwards and the to a great degree broadened wheel curves. The two idea autos from 2017 and 2018 likewise share their electric drive with strong state battery as vitality stockpiling. However, their particular, reliably engaged ideas for utilize make them perfect inverses. While the e-tron was outlined as a completely robotized, long-remove extravagance vehicle, a business stream for the street, the makers of the PB18 e-tron planned it as an extreme driving